Hi Dora, how you feel now? How was your learning? Hello! How you feeling? How was your surprise?
It was
Really good? How was your pilot? Thank you so much, lad. It's clear? It's clear? How was your heartbeat?
My heartbeat was fine. My stomach sometimes.
Hi everyone, we are going back to the nature, not too far from Pokhara, approximately 15 kilometers. And this road is very nice, cross the river, and it's a nice cross motorbiking.
Okay, thank you. Wow, what's up? It's cool. Oh, Draco.
In the morning when I wake and the sun is coming through, oh, you fill my lungs with sweetness and you fill my head with you.
Good.
Shall I write it in a letter? Shall I try to get
So guys, now we are moving back to nature, and it's a little bit hot. You see the path is quite sleepy, and we all have to walk almost like 40 to like 50 minutes. Actually it was written on 30 minutes, but it's for the local peoples. But if we are coming once a time here, then it's gonna take you like around 40 to 50 minutes. And I have some guys who are following me. Hey guys, can I see you a bit fast? Come on, let's do it.
You know how it's slippery for me?
How?
It's very.
How you feeling? It's funny,
It's funny.
but hard, isn't that?
No, I hate this stuff.
Okay, come on, enjoy your moment. It's not so far. 10 minutes or
Not
almost.
so far.
Yeah. Go on, go on. No rest. Be strong.
I'm rubbish.
Not rubbish. Pangyo. Hi, Pangyo. Milela ma. So where we arrive now?
Back to nature!
Yeah.
Back to nature!
Back to nature.
Oh yeah.
What? Sama?
Yeah.
What?
Sweat.
What's your? Yo.
What?
Yo.
Yeah.
Namaste. Welcome to back to nature. Namaste. Welcome to back to nature. Namaste, sir.
Namaste.
Welcome to
Thank you so much. So guys, after hard walking, they have welcomed us very warmly with sweet flower. We call this like 3 flower. So now see the guys. Wow! Ah, 你看蘑菇是吗？
Oh yeah, mushroom.
It's a mushroom. Look at it, like mushroom. Wow. That's everything is nature. Wow, it smells. I got like. How you get the smell, guys? The food of smells. It's good.
Good.
Namaste.
How are you?
Wow, here's the view.
Too good.
So guys, I have one question. Somebody says that if you work hard, you will get better and better. So this is the thing that we work hard and we get the better, is it?
Yeah.
Happy?
Yes, but I'm
And she has passed like her happy birthday about like 3 days. Is it third day, isn't that?
31st,
Is it 3 days third day, yeah? Of her birthday, yeah?
Sunday.
Yeah, Sunday, yeah. Oh. So it seems like you're surprised.
yes. Still.
Okay, this is a local kitchen where the people cook the foods. Look at the guys. Yeah. Namaste. 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 What is? क्या बनाउँदै हो?
Potato that.
Fried potato. So they are making us like fried potato now. And this guy is not tiring because taking us from down to up and directly going to cook the foods. So happy. Some vegetables they have cut it. Don't know how they gonna make it. Alright, everything is very nice, nice.
It's amazing.
It's amazing.
Really,
Yeah.
it's unbelievable.
Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Om. Everything happens without me. I'm sitting here, politics sitting there, and we are not meeting. Yeah. Huh?
You want to try the cigarette? 哎呀，尝尝你那根烟。
Oh, okay. Chinese smoke. Chinese smoke.
And they're having a meal. Sit. Boss, sit down. Listen, sit.
Okay, how does it work? How can I get it?
Rice?
Online?
Yeah.
Thank you. How much is that for a day? For a week? You wanna laugh?
Wow, where you bought that soap? Where you bought that socks? It's very nice. Okay, then. Hello everyone, Namaste, it's me Austin from Nepal, living in Pokhara. So we drive the bike from Pokhara to Pami. It's almost like 30 minutes from down, parking a bike on the downstairs, and we walk around like almost 1 hour of like hiking to back to nature. So if you like the video, please, you have downstairs some like this kind of ring and bell that ring like this.